like to introduce BizWiz, a web app that helps users create charts easily. The painful part about creating a business presentation is having to add charts, and this means having to switch between programs, copy and pasting your data, and sometimes you may even have to create the chart yourself as there are no templates available. So as you can imagine, this process is tedious, it's time-consuming, and it's also stressful when you're on a tight deadline. So our solution is BizWiz. You start by uploading a file with your data, an Excel sheet for example, and all the charts will be created for you automatically. You can customize your data, select your desired chart template, or even tweak the data. And once you're happy with the results, you can download all the charts as a PowerPoint with just one click. You can even send the QR link to your boss by scanning the QR code. We would like to take the pain out of creating charts by using BizWiz.